Stay tight, dude. Stay tight. Hey, David. Hey, David. Wave high. Stick your hopper and you're going to get it shut off. Stick it in.
Yo, he's out. I just shot him in the fucking arm.
Oh!
Why is he shooting back at me?
Those are big words. Shoot the fuck a couple more times. Come on, David. Dude, go fuck this thing up. Come on. Go, 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 go. He's still in. He's still in. He's still there. Back. All up.